Habayakran bagi nong patai kubor, sembut Menteri Rangba akan jela Meghalaya ubak senyau Balangdhar, ubak kami ru ekakam penroisor, ulaong bag sarkar jela kenelek penben no ekane ekakam kebedai bat katem metor, batkan sekot ekran no ekidukot jong Harijan Panchayat Committee. Ulaong ba Harijan Panchayat Committee Kamsyam Ladawa, hendrai kela kerpat akabedai bat kejengrit jong Jakasa. Kumta ke sorkar kan saya keren batki namar bawat ke yang syari kalau hukum ke sorkar jala bagai ban pendap ikene ke kam hapok kene ke senam bat kumta kene lek ban penbet no ikene haswa ban kot ke senam arhajar arpulai uba asnyau Balangdhar ulong batang syukut ke syuti puja onelek ban penbet no oklo ya kene ke kam bat uker mens camp bagai ke ban mi na ke jengya keren kan long ke babha bat ulong bag sorkar jala ladak ban pen kreak ban pen kedria iki basa athemetor syek office trekam jong Shillong Municipal Board bat haduk mentak sorkar jela ke jenis Cambridge halor kene ke nongrim.
During that first blueprint, yes, they request us, not a demand, they request us the size of the plot, size of the unit aspect is it seems too small. If government can at least the size little bigger, that we have to discuss with them. That's why we will call them another meeting and we will try to resolve it.
When will you go?
Maybe I think after puja, because now before puja to all the officers are busy, maybe most of them are busy with their puja. But definitely I will call them after puja. We'll try to solve it at the earliest possible.
And is the government having the full cooperation of the HPC or are they not cooperating?
Not the cooperation, not the corporate, non-corporate, because we are under the process of negotiation. Hopefully positive thing will be happen. And it's a strong message, it's a positive thing is going to happen.
Bakit kung gusto ka blueprint ng government, how even identify bakin sa?
No, that one that we have identified in this existing office of the municipal. We know very well only. Even till today we stick to that.
Sembut Menteri Rangba ula pentip bagajeng pentera ya ke Smart City Project kalaya cekmat. Bala kami lenti ban pendap no ya ke Integrated Command and Control Center hapo jong ubnai leber ke senam Arhajar Arpusau. Bat sisian bala pendap ikania onsa sedang no ya ke jeng penteri kam. Ulaong bana ke bentah kiwe-kiwe project on yale ban pendap hapo ubnai jeliu ke senam Arhajar Arpusau. Bat gi katukan ni project jong ke Smart City ki kentup ya ke yo lat mkra ke yo polo ki parking lot ki bahe ke Smart Road bat kiwe-kiwe bat barok lang ki don kat nyau teli. Ha kabedai bagajing thang kali uba asnyau Balangdhar ulaong basisian badap ban penkeria ya ka main secretariat syaka New Shillong Township. Kan siarap shibuan ban pendunai ke jing thang kali. Ndrei kene ke jing temu kala ban syempor hado ar nelai senam. Ulaong bag sorkar kala persyang ban pentrekam daki odd but even number ya ke jing peniat iki kali. Ndrei kala mi ke jing bag sorkar ka hap pensngap ya ke jing pensngau jeng kipat ba. Ulaong sisian baladap bantai ya ke jaka peniang kali ni ki parking lot ki bahe lakmi lenti bakin penduna kan dihat ke jing thang kali. Kam tam hababun kipat ba ki peniang kali kat haba kisngau kwa ban peniang.
All of them are on that full sway. And in related with that ICCC, Integrated Command Control System. So I think by March they should be completed. And once completed, we will start implementation. That is related with that ICCC. And the other project, I think we are planning that we should be completed by June 24. We are trying.
Kaya kita ki main project mo ng mga Smart City Project. Diba
Yeah, I like Mukra Market and the Polo Market and the Rain Harvester Project and the parking in Montran and there is the one Nala also, Nala things and all this ICCC is the main who will control all the surveillance system in the whole city. There are 17 all of them.
Kung iba, kung may kanya ka jing snai, gini ki surak mo. Kung iba ka doon.
Yeah, Smart Road is there, yes, Smart Road also. But Smart Road now they are doing the underground work, the dock, all the same. So it will take some time. Unless we finish all this retaining wall, all this dock, all this side range, all this culvert, is not allowed to lay the payment, no? Only can be the payment. The main issue about the traffics, all of us are aware. And that's why we have decided as a government, we are going to move this secretariat to the new township, New Shillong. So maybe that is one of the main, if we can move this after completion, maybe it will take 2 to 3 years And that is one surely it is maybe 30-40%, and all the public officers achieve that. And by imposing the event, sometimes you have to listen from the opinion of people you see in the earlier thing. When you impose a different party come why. So we have to listen from all these pros and cons, to listen from our stakeholders also. But still we are trying to do it. Maybe even though if we do with the information of all the association, all the thing to the district. So we have met, I think this last few months they are trying to impose its own event, but it's not work. So now we are working on how to impose it.